Over the years, we've seen a steady progression in filters that you can use in photography and videography. And, you know, once a year, we check out a new filter kit. And to that end, I accepted this rather large delivery. It's the Velium Magrota Deluxe kit. I've gone all out. This is it here. And you can see there's a lot stacked on this. Although I haven't stacked this one in properly yet. You know, we're going to check it out, see what's what. The weather hasn't been that great, so let's see how we get on. I mean, even if it's moody, we can have a good play. There's a lot of filters in here. It's a big kit, basically. But let's have a little look at it up close and see what's the crack. Firstly then, we've got the base ring, so let's crack this open. That is interesting. Bit of a pouch there, not bad. That's a seriously strong grip, and well, it's only got the base ring in it, I should say, with a lens cap on there. And oh, there's more in here. Bit of a warranty in that. We've got step-up rings there, so that's definitely going to be useful. Warranty, instructions, got a little locking system here. That's interesting. And the turn there and the lock there. We've got a GND 3-stop soft. We've got a IRND 6-stop and the same but in 10-stop. We've got some blurb, fair enough. Lens cloth, finally, you've been waiting for that. Warranty card and a pouch, smaller pouch this time, as I guess it just has the filter itself. We've got CineMist quarter, CineMist half, CineStreak gold and CineStreak blue. Now, I've never used these filters before, so that's going to be interesting. Now, on the side of the box, some stats. It's supposed to be the world's thinnest, 2.8 mil. You can see the rest there if you need to pause. It feels like a very quality kit. They seem to know what they're doing, that's for sure. Oh, that is a really nice, thick pouch. Very impressive. Obviously, the kit's not super duper cheap, but if you were just buying this on its own, feels like good quality though. And there's that CineMist half. Not a lot for you to see, but I'm very impressed with how they feel and how thin they are for what it's worth. This is going to be one of the staples for me, the dual CPL, the variable NDs, 2 to 5 stops and the PL on there, and 5 to 9 stop and a 32 PL. These are the ones that I use the most, especially sort of landscapes, even shooting myself outside, out and about. Let's just have a quick look at this one, although it's basically, from what I can tell now, from having looked at a few of these now, it's basically going to be business as usual. Yeah, there you go. I just want to have a little look at this filter. Now, the proof will be in the pudding, but yeah, that's pretty cool. And we've got some markings there on both sides. So thin, very impressive. After a lot of use, overall I'm happy. The locking system of the base ring is rather swanky. Not that I've ever had a filter come loose in use. It does the job without much fuss, and the grooves are a nice touch that make it easier to rotate the filters. Now, once the base is on, you have to then add either the dual CPL, the CineStreak, or the mist filter if you want to stack the VND on top. So you get it on, lock it in place, and then your VND can go on and can be rotated to your heart's content. If you're shooting run and gun style, it can be a bit fiddly in all honesty, and the filters can easily come off in your kit bag. But in fairness, this is more suited to static shooting. Individually, the package is quality and the single cases are nice. But yes, the kit really screamed out for a multi-filter case. And it turns out that since we started looking at this kit a while ago, Velium listened to feedback and have told me since that the Magrota kits now include a multi-filter case which can carry up to 6 filters, the base, step-up rings, so it's much more practical. They've also adjusted the edge of the VND filters now to include calibration marks for calculating exposure time. Now, these, where are they? Cine Mist filters. There's one of them there. There's another one knocking about here somewhere. Yeah, they listened to feedback and they've changed the half filter, which is this one, for an 1/8. So it's pretty cool that they listen and adjust things before going full blown on the market, which apparently is happening very, very soon. The Kickstarter is probably going to be finished by the time this video goes out. Anyway, more samples, this time with the CPL and the IRND 10 stop. It was a pretty grim day. The real big deal is being able to adjust all the filters independently, and even with 4 filters not get vignetting at most focal lengths, unlike other kits when pushed this much. Now, using the GND 3 stop when I was testing the 7 Artisan 12mm Cine lens was tricky, but otherwise a good experience. I think I'll start to use GNDs more often actually. Ideally, when the weather gets better, I'll get back out and give them a more fun fair test. See if I can get it immediately skywards. Now if I turn it, there we go. That's all right like that, I think. What a grim day. And yes, the filter for such a wide angle is a bit awkward. Let me turn it a bit and you'll see what I mean. But it's a bit wet now, sorry. No need to clean it off just for this bit. But yeah, you get the idea. Give it a little wipe. Let the exposure settle down. There we go. Fire a couple more frames off. The CineStreak filters were something a bit new to me. They're basically there to replicate anamorphic flares. That could prove very cool if used sparingly. In fairness, the deluxe kit that I've got here, as you can see, is a lot. It's a whopping $789, but considering you get 10 top quality filters, the base ring, the step up adapters, in my case the single cases, you'll get a better multi-case, of course. I think that's actually top quality. What I'd like them to do is adopt a variable step-up ring adapter a la H&Y, although I haven't tried that one out. But I think, yeah, this is a very good investment. Of course, you don't need to buy the whole lot. You can just get the ones that you need. And I think, yeah, Velium, well done. Now get this thing to market.